Alright, so today we're going to be taking a look at a brand new mystery box, but before we get into that, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and also song of the day. Gonna have to give it a Culture 3. Amazing album, go listen to it. And yeah, let's get into a couple disclaimers before we get into the video. Okay, so first things first, I don't know if you guys are new to the channel, but I normally don't sound like this. I'm a little bit sick, so yeah, there's that. I'm sorry, like, my voice is just messed up right now. Next, okay, I have a little bit of explaining to do with this. This video is a little bit late, and by a little bit late, I mean like 5 months late. I got this mystery box in like February, almost January-ish. So yeah, it's a little bit late. And I'm not gonna lie, I already know what's in it, so there's that too. So yeah, even though it's a little bit late, you know, I decided I'll still fucking make a video on it. And yeah, let's just get into it and let's open this up. All right, so here we got the mystery box. I got it for SNKRFLEA for $110, I think, like after tax and shipping. It turned out to be like $130 or something like that. So yeah, that's a lot, but I paid it like 6 months ago or some shit. So yeah, there's that. As you can see, I'm not capping. It's from SNKRFLEA. I already like, you know, took out all my information. My name is Fernando, in case you don't know. And you can see there, ship date 1/29/21. So yeah, I'm not capping. And here, let's just take everything out. We have 2 Revenge shirts. I got them in XXL, which in case you guys don't know, I have lost a shit ton of weight. So I don't even know. I think these are like a little bit too big now. But it kind of sucks, but I actually don't have these yet, so that's pretty cool. I believe this is, oh, there's like a spider on it. This is either from the King Von collab or the Young Thug collab. I'm not really sure which one it was, and I'm not sure what t-shirt this is. So yeah, let me just open this up and then let me get back to you guys. All right, so I took them out and I realized I forgot to explain what can like come into this box. So you basically have a chance of getting like, I think, a Bape shirt, Antisocial Club t-shirts, and a Supreme shirt, and also Revenge shirts in certain sizes, and I happen to get 2 of these. So yeah, let me just show you what I got. It's a little bit dirty, which I don't know about you guys, I always wash my clothes before I wear it, so I guess I'm gonna have to do that anyway. Just says Revenge with a spider on it, and there should be something on the back. You have a skull. I think I have like a white version of this in like a hoodie, so it kind of is very similar. Or on the top, just a skull. This is like one of their like signature designs, so that's pretty cool. Have put that to the side. Then we also have this one. I would say I like this one a little bit better, but this one does have better quality. As you can see, this is like puff print. So it's like coming out, and this is looks like it's just like screen printed and shit. So yeah, there you go. XXL Revenge. I do buy a lot of Revenge clothing, so I can tell you that this is like 100% real. I could just tell. We have the skeleton on the back. We have the R. Pretty cool design. And yeah, let me just step right back in front of the camera and give you guys my final thoughts on this box. Okay, so do I think that this mystery box is worth it? I'm gonna keep it a stack with you guys. Probably not. I don't really remember how much retail is on a Revenge t-shirt like this. I think it's around $40 to $50. When you buy a box from SNKRFLEA, I believe it comes out to $110 retail, and then you have to pay tax and shipping. So for me, it comes out to $130. And obviously that price doesn't match up. You're gonna end up paying like an extra $10 or $20 per shirt. I do want to point out that a certain percentage of the profits from a SNKRFLEA mystery box goes to a certain charity. I don't know if it was just specifically the this box or if they're still doing that, but I do want to point out that was a thing back when I bought this one. And yes, I know this is like 5 or 6 months ago. I'm a little late, okay? So yeah, obviously these shirts do have some resale value, and I'm not really sure how much that is. You're gonna have to check Grailed and eBay, but I don't imagine it being over $130. So yeah, I feel like at best, if I were to sell these 2 t-shirts, I would just break even. So yeah, let me show you guys the shirts one more time. We have the King Von collab, I believe it is, or it's either King Von or Young Thug. I'm not 100% sure which one it is. And then we also have the second one. This one is not a collaboration. It's just like a regular Revenge t-shirt. You can see it right there. It has like the skull, and then on the back you have the skull as well, the little R at the top. Personally, I like this one best, and I'm actually gonna wear these 2 t-shirts. Again, I actually do buy a lot of Revenge clothing, so I'm actually pretty happy with what I got. It just sucks for the price point. So yeah, if you guys are deciding to buy a SNKRFLEA mystery box, I think you should just like go on StockX, eBay, Grailed, pick out the shirt that you want and just fucking buy it straight out from there, because it's gonna cost you way less. Again, that's just my opinion. If you wanna go and just buy the mystery box, that's 100% fine. I just personally don't think it's worth it. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about this mystery box. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and thank you for watching. Bye.